What is the most consequential mistake of the Philippines? Would anybody venture? In the last 50 years, what is the biggest mistake of the Philippines? The biggest mistake is that we closed down the US bases. Yung nawala yung US bases sa Subic, nawala sa Clark. Ano yun? They're now very near us in some Zambales. If there were US bases there, they would not be able to build anything within the next 500 miles. But then, we were so bright, we were intellectual, liberal tayo, di ba nangyari? Now we have to spend money for missiles, we have to spend money for Coast Guard ships, we have to develop our military. Eh kung natin yung US bases, wala tayong problema. So that is one of the biggest mistakes that a Filipino has done. Mga intellectual, mga newspaperman, mga professor, mga academe, mga clergy, they did not know that they were facing an evil empire. And that is a design. Yung pagtagal US bases, that was a design of the Chinese Communist Party. I know there are people here from the Filipino-Chinese Commerce, but alam ko, kayo mga Pilipino. At paglalaban ng Pilipinas, at pag may gera, lalaman kayo sa Pilipino.